Generally speaking, the final assembly workshop is the last stage of automobile production. In the final assembly workshop, various parts and components of the car will be assembled together to form a complete automobile. Final tuning, testing, and inspection will also be conducted to ensure that the performance and quality of the car meet the standards. Therefore, the final assembly workshop is not only the last stage of automobile production, but also one of the most important stages. RFID has a wide range of applications in the final assembly workshop. Here are several common applications. Production management. RFID can be used for production planning and management during the production process, which helps to improve production efficiency and enables management personnel to timely understand the production situation and adjust production plans accordingly. The painted empty body enters the PBS painted body shell storage area. The PBS storage area usually adopts a separate delivery method according to the vehicle model specifications, height, medium, low working hours. The system first confirms the sequence number and specifications of the empty body from the painting line using RFID technology, and then determines the body in line sequence in the PBS storage area based on the sorting plan of the final assembly workshop. Using the control system, the system automatically calculates the lane that the current vehicle should select and communicates with the PLC in the PBS storage area through the TCP/IP communication protocol to control the body in line, achieving automatic batch grouping of the empty body in the PBS storage area, improving the production efficiency of the subsequent processes in the storage area. Logistics management. RFID tags can be attached to parts and components, making it easy to track and manage them during the logistics process. For large parts such as seats, tires, decorative panels, and chassis, the car factory generally uses a delivery instruction to instruct large peripheral suppliers to deliver synchronously based on the loading capacity of the logistics distribution vehicle. The JIS synchronous supplier generally sets up a factory around the car factory, and the body is painted and qualified to enter the PBS area in the painting workshop. At the control point in the PBS export area, the RFID reader reads the body information. Once a certain number of bodies are accumulated, an order is placed with the large peripheral supplier to instruct them to complete the delivery according to the sorting requirements and specified time. Process control. RFID can be used to manage assembly processes. Within the final assembly workshop, RFID readers can automatically identify parts and components and confirm if they meet specifications. If they do not meet requirements, the system will automatically issue an alert to remind workers to make corrections. Quality control. RFID can be used to track quality information for parts and components. Within the final assembly workshop, RFID readers can automatically record quality information for each part and component, including testing results and times. This information can be traced to ensure that the car quality meets standards. Overall, the work within the final assembly workshop is very complex and meticulous, requiring high levels of technical expertise and experience, and strict adherence to quality and safety standards. The application of RFID within the final assembly workshop can greatly improve production efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance car quality.